The whole riser on the right hand side is on the left hand side the extra rep, nice around the hand. Okay, when you're ready we start with a lot of weight shift. Okay, and we start with the brake slowly, a little bit faster, and a little bit more, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. Come on, come on, come on, a little bit more, and hold it like this. Now you can feel your nice and slow, low sink rate. It's looking good. We can, have a nice look at the scenery. And we start with the exit. To unwrap, release the left brake, right hand brake straight away. And release the right hand brake. Ah, that's looking very nice. So this time we had a good speed on the pull with the brake, and we didn't lose almost any height on the exit. Well, that's the way it should be. We do a left hand turn towards the landing. As we don't have any wind, we need a little bit more height to arrive at the landing. If you want, if you're sure you've got enough height, we can do once more the pitching and a 180-degree turn. Or if you prefer, we can do some wing overs going towards the landing. You decide what you want to do. Okay, wing overs. Looking good. Try to use more weight shift. Full weight shift. And release. Full weight shift. And looking very good. And full weight shift. Nice. Full weight shift. And release. Full weight shift. Very nice. And two more on your own timing. Watch the outside wing. Okay, that's a very nice flight. Now this was the first time you were using that much weight shift, and you felt it works a lot better. You need less brake and it's more stable, you've got more energy. Well done.